Hi students, welcome to our channel Max Plus U. Today we are doing assertion reasoning questions unit 2 algebra. In the first video we have uploaded chapter 1 real numbers as well as unit 1 also. Now we are doing unit 2 algebra. It carries chapter 2, 3, 4, 5. So we'll try to cover all these 4 chapters assertion reasoning in this PDF. So in this PDF here the answers are there, just final answer been given, but some final answer may not be correct. Anyway, I will let you know what is correct, what is wrong, and that related some more information also I used to give you. Okay, suppose this answer is wrong, which supposed to be should correct. So assertion wrong, reason correct. Suppose assertion true means what supposed to come. In that way I will inform you. So now go for the question number 1, children. A quadratic equation can have at most 2 zeros. So I can say yes, the topmost 2 zeros can come. 2 zeros is the maximum, at most not maximum. At the most 2 zeros. A quadratic polynomial have maximum 2 zeros. Correct. Reason: x square plus 7x plus 12 has no real zeros. So you just see multiplying na 12, adding na 7. Two number you take pa. You have to multiply na 12 should come, add na 7 should come. 4 3s are 12. So both are real number only. So no real zeros are wrong. So A is true, R is false. That's it. A is correct, R is incorrect. Option C. Correct, Amma. Question number 2. So question number 2, when we are discussing, sum of the zeros of the polynomial is 2. Sum of zeros na alpha plus beta. We all know alpha plus beta is minus b by a. What is minus b by a here? Na? Minus of minus 2k. So you will get 2k. Correct? 2k by 1. Then that is only sum only 2 they said. So 2k equals to 2. 2 cancel karo. K equals to 1. So k 1 correct. So A true is correct. Superb. Then they have said the sum of zeros of the quadratic polynomial ax square plus bx plus c is minus b by a. Yes, that minus b by a only. Both are correct. And it's a correct explanation. We should check. Yes, this minus b by a only we have applied for assertion. So I'm going for option A. Both are correct. Also, it is a correct explanation. Yes or no? Then, so second question, option A. Ma. Question number 3. Question number 3, when we are discussing, here ax square plus 3x plus 5k is minus 10. K equals to minus 2. Product of the zeros. Product of the zeros now alpha beta equals to c by a. What is c? 5k. What is a? So actually in this question, a should not be there. Just x square should be there in the question. Then only it's coming properly. 5k by 1. Okay, va? So that means in the question, quadratic polynomial x square plus 3x plus 5k. Okay, va? That answer they given it as a minus 10. Value of k is minus 2 we want to do. So that answer is minus 10. So 5k is minus 10. So k is minus 2. Yes, correct. So I am getting assertion as minus 2 correct. But reason if you check now, sum of zeros is minus b by a. Hey, we are using product of zeros. So what supposed to be coming now, if our reason supposed to be true now, here you supposed to get c by a. Suppose they said product of the zeros and it is c by a now, then both are correct and it will be a correct explanation like that it will come. But they given sum of zeros minus b by a na correct. What they said is correct, but that is not related to the assertion. So option B. A and R are true, but this is not a correct explanation. Understood, ma? That way only for all this. Question number 4. X plus 1 linear polynomial. Yes, correct. And polynomial of degree 1 is called linear polynomial. Again, yes, correct. So then it is a correct explanation. Superb. So option A. Then minus 1 and 4 are the zeros of the polynomial x square minus 3x minus 4. Yes. Multiplying add minus 4, adding minus 3. Then 4 and 1. minus 4 and 1, correct? Yes. So we are getting x minus 4 and x plus 1. So in that point of view, I'm saying A is false. Sir, correct only? No, sir, like that. Na? X minus 4, x equals to 4. Then x plus 1, x equals to minus 1. So minus 1 and 4. Minus 1 correct, and but here minus 4 given. So A is false. And R true or sir? Na? Yeah, a real number. A real number k is said to be a 0 of the polynomial p of k equals 0. This is correct. So A is false, R is true. Then question number 6 ma. 2 is a 0 of the polynomial or not, they are asking. We can check by substituting the 2. If I substitute 2, I got 0. Na, it's simple. You don't want a splitting middle term. Na. 2 square, 4. Plus 2 2s are 4. 8 minus 8, 0. So, yes, assertion is true. Yeah, reason you see. Ma. Real number A is 0 of the polynomial if P of A equal to 0. This is all 9th standard level. Yes. Exactly, yes. So, it's correct. Go for question number 7. Now, question number 7, actually seeing, they said it is degree 3. You see in this answer also they given A. But in my point of view, the degree is 4 because x power 4 is given. Yes or no? So, in that way, A is false, R is true. So, I am saying 7th option will be A is false, R is true. D. Highest power in x is the degree of the polynomial. Reason is correct. You kindly check, even this is 9th level. So now pair of linear equation 2 variable pa. Same way. First one you see, there are infinite number of lines which passes through 1 comma 13. Obviously yes, correct. They have infinite number of lines, not only passes through 1 comma 13. Any point they given infinite number of lines. Obviously correct. Linear equation 2 variable has infinite number of solution. Again correct. But this and this won't have a correct explanation. This is not a correct explanation. So option B they given, yes. Again I'm saying in the PDF, whatever they given it's not correct. So it may be changing. We will discuss about it. Question number 2. The graph of linear equation gives a pair of intersecting lines. Yeah, it's a pair of intersecting lines. Yes, now we'll check A1 by A2 not equal to B1 by B2. 3 by 4, 3 by 5 actually, and 2 by minus 2. Ma A1 by A2 ma 3 ma, here 5 pa, 3 by 5 pa, here y coefficient 2 pa, here y coefficient minus 2 pa, cancel pa. So 3 by 5 and minus 1 equal or not equal, check na, not equal, go. So intersecting lines are, yes, superb. A is true. What about R? A1 by A2 not equal to B1 by B2. Super, again correct. So it's option A correct, Anna? Yes, correct. So both are true and it's a correct explanation. Then third one, ma. If the pair of lines are coincident, then the pair of lines is inconsistent unique solution. Hey, what is this, children? Inconsistent unique solution. Consistent now only unique solution. So third is definite. I will say it is inconsistent won't come. So in my point of view, I will say A is false. R be true, I check. Na, yes. Parallel, no solution. Yeah, it is true. So D is correct. See, ma, consistent now only unique solution. When it will be correct? It's supposed to become consistent unique solution that way. Correct? D, fourth one pa. Ma, the dependent, the word used for usually infinity many solution. Even in the book it's mentioned. Pair of dependent linear equation is nothing but infinitely many solution. Minus 3x is there, multiply with 2, minus 6x. 5 2s are 10y. 2 minus 2 2s are minus 4y. So A is true. But R supposed to be true. Now you supposed to have infinite number of solution. A1 by A2 equal to B1 by B2 equal to C1 by C2. Suppose they given, then option A will be correct. because this also true and it will be a correct explanation, but they given not equal. They given for parallel lines. Correct or not? No solution they given. So A true but R false. Option C. So if you understand the formula, understand the concept now, assertion reasoning will be very much easy. This is basic related question only. After that, once we completed this, then interior assertion reasoning also will discuss. But this is the basic which you want to know. All of us should know this type of sums. Okay, if you want to if one root of quadratic equation is 2 by 3. So apply 6 into 2 by 3 whole square minus 2 by 3 minus k equal to 0. Now, if you simplify, now I'm getting the value k equals to 2 pi. You simplify and check whether you're getting k equal to 2 or not. Yes. So, A is true. Quadratic equation has at most 2 roots, if you ask now. Yes, it's also correct. But this, it won't be a correct reason. Quadratic equation has at most 2 roots, we all know. But that won't be the getting the k value and also. Both are true, but it's not a correct explanation. I am going with option B. Then the second one, 2x minus 1 the whole square minus 4x square plus 5. Pa a minus b whole square do pa. A square pa 2x whole square minus 2ab. 2 into 2x plus b square 1. Simple 2x whole square 1 4x square will come. Super. Here 1 minus 4x square will come. Again super. Cancel karo. So x square not there. Once x square not there na, then it's not a quadratic equation. Since it's not a quadratic equation, assertion is true. Then what's the reason? Equation is of the form ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0 is called a quadratic equation. They said that is correct. So option A, I'm saying A and R are true, and R is a correct explanation for A. Then third question pa. What is the third question? Roots of quadratic equation are imaginary. Check ma D. B square minus 4ac we all know. Check B is what? 2. 2 square minus 4 into 1 into 2. 4 minus 8 is minus 4, that is lesser than 0. Yes, it is imaginary. They may say it's imaginary, or they may say it is no real roots. They may say it's unreal roots. Whatever word they may use. Then reason D equal to B square minus 4 is less than 0. Roots of quadratic equations are imaginary. Yes. So I'm saying option A. Both are true and R is a correct explanation. Going for fourth pa. Fourth one, what they are saying now, 3x square minus 6x plus 3 equal to 0 as repeated roots they saying. Sir, what's a repeated root? The two number pa, x equal to 1 comma 1, x equal to 2 comma 2, x equal to minus 1 comma minus 1. That is what repeated root. See, 3 you take repeated root now. Okay, wow, same number, real and equal we used to say la, that only real equal go. 3 you take common. X square minus 2x plus 1 equals to 0. What is x square minus 2x plus 1? That is nothing but x minus 1 whole square. X minus 1 whole square, na, x equals to 1 comma 1. So yes, it's a repeated real roots. Then just see whether second one is correct or not. Quadratic equation has repeated roots if discriminant d greater than 0. Actually, one small change if it's done, it will be answer will be A. Suppose they said repeated root discriminant d equal to 0, they said now. Yes, it's correct. And it will be a correct explanation. Option A will be there. Since they said d greater than 0, that is not repeated root, that is not non-repeated roots. Distinct, real and distinct root. Different, real and unequal. So in that way, 4 is option C. A true, but R is false. Today video last concept chapter 5 AP we going to discuss. Sir, this and all one sum are easy sum like that you may feel, but even this type of sums coming also children are making error. You don't make error. Sum of natural numbers from 1 to 100 is 5050. Correct? Correct. You may then the formula for general term an equal to a plus n minus 1 dd correct? Formula also correct, but it won't be correct explanation because they said here sum. They are giving you for you an formula. Okay, wow. So answer will be B is correct. Okay, what and all can be given. First, the 5050, how you checked correct? I have some formula. Sum of first n natural number, I may write n into n plus 1 by 2. N is 100 ma. 100 into 101 by 2. Cancel 50. 50 and 101 we multiply na 5050. So suppose Sn equal to, in one exam also they have asked sum of natural number 5050 they given and Sn equal to n into n plus 1 by 2 they given in reason. Then answer is option A. Because Sn n other formulas and all children know. Sn equal to n by 2 2a plus n minus 1 into d they can give reason. Then also option A. Or they can give Sn equal to n by 2 a plus l. Then also option A. All this. Instead of this, they may give this formula or even Sn equal to n into n plus 1 by 2. Take your book and check this formula is there even in the book. I think sum of first 1000 positive integers, one sum is there. They used to apply this formula. Some students say this formula and all I didn't study at all. So assertion reasoning, they should not ask like that. They're saying it's not correct. So you don't know, na, that doesn't mean that formula is not available. It's one small proverb in Tamil they used to say, பூனை கண்ணை மூடிட்டு பால் குடிச்சுதான் no one's யாரும் பார்க்கலன்னு நினைக்குமா. Like that, if you just close your eyes and you're doing that, doesn't mean that it is not all available. We wanted to learn because in the children are saying like sometime, sir, this and all I didn't study. You didn't study, that is not the thing. It is available in the book, it is there. Then it's our duty to study. If the numbers A, B, C are in AP, we all know common difference B minus A equals C minus B. Yes. So second question, the assertion is true, I'm saying. What about reason? Given three numbers are AP, na, common difference will be same. Okay. In my point of view, reason also correct. So yeah, both are true or check. So it's not a correct explanation, I'm going for it. Then go for third question. Actually, here apply the third question. What and all, A true you should see. N is value of n is 18. Okay, so I'm just applying the an formula. An equals to a plus n minus 1 into d. So an 95, a வந்து 10, n வந்து we don't know, but n 18 they given. So 18 correct, I have to go into check. So 18 minus 1 17, d 5. Already 95 here I have. 10 plus 17 5s are, if I check it now, I will get 85. So yeah, 95 equal to 95 I am getting. So assertion is true, I am getting it. So assertion true correct check pa. Then reason ma. Sn equal to n by 2 2a plus n minus 1 into d they given na, that time option B will come. But purposeful they given an. An equal to n by 2 2a plus n minus 1 into d, no formula. So reason false only I should say. So A true or false, option C. Suppose if they given Sn equal to na, then that formula will be correct, but it won't be a correct explanation. So I will get option B. Suppose in this, instead of this formula, they given an equal to a plus n minus 1 into d now. Then reason also correct. Instead of an equal to a plus n minus 1 into d, I may even give the reason n equals to L minus A by D plus 1. Another one formula is there. That if they given also. Even audition mandal, they applied this formula. That they given also, it's correct reason only. So always learn some new other things also for assertion reasoning, because they will give one reason. We wanted to know whether it is a correct or not. Then fourth one. Now some of the series here, D is not a correct. So go don't see. We will just discuss about it, which is correct. So first we don't want to see the option. Anyway, we'll discuss about it, I'm saying. Even if the answer may be correct, first we will discuss. An is 9 minus 5n and the sum is 220. N is 6. Since Tn or An is 9 minus 5, na, first find T1. 9 minus 5, 4. T2. 9 minus 5 2s are 10, minus 1. T3. 9 minus 15, minus 6. If I am correct. Then A1 is 4, A2. That means difference if I want to find na, A2 minus A1. So minus 1 and 4 I subtracted, now I am getting minus 5. So difference is minus 5, correct? Check. Once you got difference as minus 5, then substitute it in the SN formula. I am not getting 220. You check. You are getting some other answer. So assertion is false. You just check it and tell. And here it's supposed to be Sn equal to n by 2 2a plus n minus 1 d formula. So Sn equal to n by 2 2a plus n minus 1 d formula correct. So option D is okay. But this formula should be correct. Here it's not correct. But Sn equal to n by 2 2a plus n minus 1 d. And fourth one, you have to check it whether it is correct or not. So ultimate assertion reasoning is easy. First you want to know all the formulas, apply it, then it will be good. Now kindly forward to 10th standard students children. It will be very much useful for them. Thank you.